Thank you for helping the animals.
We're glad we could help, and we have you to thank.
Me? I was just happy to help.
You're a hero to us. I'm Richard, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Richard. I'm Cherry.
Nice meeting you too. We can take you back to your place.
Oh, thanks for the offer, but we already have a ride.
See you soon.
No one will hurt this place again.
In the quiet corners of the world, there are still secrets waiting to be protected, and sometimes heroes are just explorers who care.
You deserve this.